Hey guys, it's Sup!
I'm Sarah.
And I'm Sammy.
And we are the hosts of Sup.
Yes.
Today we're making tostones from the Dominican Republic. Tostones means twice fried plantains.
In Spanish.
And they're not just eaten in the Dominican Republic, they're eaten in many different Spanish-speaking countries like
Puerto Rico, Venezuela, Cuba.
It's all over the Caribbean and Latin America.
And they ripen from green to yellow to black.
And we want to use unripe plantains because the riper they get, the sweeter they are, and this is a savory dish.
We only need 3 ingredients for tostones, which are oil, salt, and plantains. We're gonna use a pinch grip, which basically means you just pinch the knife like this. And we're just gonna cut the ends off. And second end. And then you're just gonna wanna score all the way down the plantain. The skin is very thick on plantains, way thicker than a normal banana. Now once we have the skin off, we're gonna peel it off like this. There you go, like so. And you can even use the small little parts that are inside the ends.
So now I'm just cutting the plantain into slices, and this is what you're going to fry.
It should be about 1/4 of an inch thick. It tastes like a mix between a banana, I can't really taste much banana, but a little bit of banana and potatoes, but so starchy. And you do not eat them raw.
Because plantains are very sweet when they're ripe and black, you can make them in a sweet way instead of a savory way.
You would just bake them, and they would be so sweet. You don't even have to put any sugar on there. Very sweet.
Make sure you're very careful when you put them in so you don't get burnt by the oil. We're gonna flip these ones that aren't fully covered in oil.
We just put them in a paper towel lined bowl.
This is called the tostonera, and you use it to smash plantains. You put it on and then you just smash it down. And this tostonera is from the Dominican Republic.
Our abuela uses a vinegar bottle to smash them. Ooh, okay, that's perfectly flat.
So now we're going to fry them for the second time.
So did you know that in Cuba, they call them chatinos?
Yes, I did.
No, you did.
Did you know they're called patacones in Colombia and Venezuela?
I did know that. And also in Panama as well. And we're gonna fry these bad boys just until they're nice and golden brown and crispy. And now I'm gonna take them out and I'm gonna put them on a paper towel lined bowl.
And then we're gonna put salt on them right away.
Right away, because we want them to stick to the oil. People eat them as a snack and a side dish.
So now we're going to try them.
Let's do it. She picked the biggest one, huh? So good.
Very good.
They eat a lot of salt.
You can
But it tastes so good. Perfectly fried. I don't know, it's just awesome. It's nice and crispy, salty. There's a little bit of sweetness in there, not too much. People sometimes eat tostones with mojo, which is a garlic sauce.
Or you could also just use ketchup.
Ketchup, I don't really like it too much with it.
For more recipes like this, you can buy our cookbook, Snackcation on Amazon, and you can also go to supkidscooking.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Sup Kids Cooking. Thank you guys so much for joining us today.
Bye.
Bye.
Dig in.